Hello, everybody. I'm Kanyusi Lamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So today, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. And WordPress is a free website builder that doesn't require any coding, so you can build your website without any code. So we've just bought the domain and hosting. So the details that you get in the email will be your domain name that we just bought, right? And then you want to go /cpanel. So that's going to get us to the interface or the back end of your hosting. So that will be the thing that controls your domain. So essentially what we're going to do, we're going to copy this and we're going to actually go to the website. Now we've just clicked that hyperlink and we've taken us to cPanel. So what you want to do here is put in all the details that you will receive in your email. Now that we've logged in, this is just how cPanel will look. So this is the dashboard. So when we come to create our emails, this is where we're going to go to create our email. So when you create info at our domain name, .co.za. So I'm just going to give you just a total overview and look. So over here in the statistics and stuff, this is where you'll be able to see the disk usage. So this will show you how much space is your website taking from your hosting. So all the content like images or videos that you have or that you upload or different plugins that we use will take up the disk usage space here. As you scroll up here, this will just be your shared IP. I'll get to the WordPress. This is the file stuff, so don't worry about all this kind of stuff. Yeah, it's a little bit too technical for all of us right now, and you don't really need anything like that. And then this is the SSR/TLS certificate. So if you look at your domain, and that's the little lock that makes people feel secure when they're shopping on your website. So to install WordPress, so literally, as you can see, say build the website. We click the sign here. And all we have to do is click install WordPress. So now we can choose website titles, just a slogan. So here you can delete or you can put your website slogan over here. And a username and password will be created for you. That's the admin email. So all you want to do here is just click create. And just save that. So you just wait for WordPress to begin installing. The installation is complete. So we're just gonna go exit here. And what we want to do is that you want to go click login. And this is the WordPress dashboard. So we have successfully installed WordPress, and this is where we're gonna be building our website. I'll just show you the front end. Our website is currently looking like this, but I'm going to show you in the next couple of videos on how we start building our e-commerce store, and how to upload and install the theme.